Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass. Now Edifier have sent over their brand new WH950NB noise cancelling over-ear headphones. And these may be some of the best over-ear headphones you can get for under $200, so let's take a look. As always, let's start off by looking at what you get in the box. You have some paperwork, a plain seat adapter for travelling, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. All of this comes in a nice fabric hard carrying case which has space for all of the accessories, and of course the WH950NB, which for the rest of this video, to make it a little bit easier, I'll just be calling the 950s. And speaking of the headphones, how's the design? Now they are available in both black and white models. Now the white version does have gold and champagne accents, while the black model that I have here has a rose gold and metallic black accent. They have an all plastic design, however the ear cups have a really nice leather finish to them that adds a little bit of texture to the overall feel. Now they are still going to be plastic, but from afar it does have that kind of texture and dimple design that you do get with some high quality leathers. And you also have a steel headband that adds rigidity to the headphones. The adjustment is nice and will suit tons of head sizes, but I just wish that the click had a little bit more stay to it. Every time that I would remove the headphones or put them on or take them off, I did have to make slight micro adjustments to the headband to get that perfect fit every time. And you'd also have some rose gold accents across the actual cup themselves. On the side you do have the Edifier logo on each side of the headband, which does look nice, along with a slight amount of colour on the bottom of the ear cups around the active noise cancelling sensors. Now these headphones are super comfortable. They're lightweight while still feeling premium, and the protein leather and memory foam ear cups and headbands mean that even for multiple hours of listening they remain comfortable up until the very end of the movie that you may be watching. Trust me, these are some super comfy headphones. But as always, a nice design and a pretty good price tag doesn't really mean too much unless they actually sound good. So how's the sound quality? Well, like I said at the start of this video, these are some of the best headphones for under $200, and that's because they sound pretty great to me. The 950s support both high-res audio and high-res wireless audio with LDAC certification, so basically the music that you normally would listen to will sound even better with these headphones. And just in general, overall the soundstage is solid. Even on heavy rock, which normally can sound a little bit muddy on over-ear headphones that I've tried in the past, it sounds amazing. A song like Watch It Burn by Falling in Reverse really emphasises the vocals and overall heaviness of the song. There's some really fast sections to this song. If you haven't heard it, it will be linked down below, but just in general you can pretty much hear everything that's going on musically. From the deep bass of R&B and hip hop to the sound of an acoustic guitar, it all sounds great. Voices on podcasts have a nice warmth to them, and it makes those podcasts that are over an hour still sound great when it comes to sound quality and of course that overall fit of the headphones themselves. Speaking of over an hour's worth of listening, they're pretty good in regards to movies, YouTube videos, or just in general any type of video that you can think of. Watching a movie a little bit older like Inception sounds great on these headphones, and the score by Hans Zimmer is punchy and crisp. The 950s also have some amazing active noise cancellation, blocking out the sound of a low rumble for a train for example, or if you're working from home children in the background, they do a great job of blocking out pretty much all those sounds around you from the higher to the lower decibel ratings. You also have audio pass-through with ambient mode, so this means that if you do need to hear the world around you, then you've got the choice to do so. And of course, to control the actual headphones themselves, you've got the Edifier Connect application available for both iOS and Android. So this is where you can basically go in and change all of the settings of the headphones themselves. If you want to change the noise cancellation to high or even low, turn on wind reduction, ambient sound, or turn off noise cancellation altogether, you've got the option to do so. You can also go in and use a preset for an EQ or customize your own, and of course you've got all the options in regards to the control settings of the headphones themselves. So single press, double press, and also press and hold. If you want to turn on or off certain settings in there, you've got the option to do so. And a lot of the time, applications for headphones and earbuds is isn't necessarily the best out there, but Edifier Connect seems to do a pretty good job giving you access to everything you can think of for the actual headphones themselves. So with an overall great design and amazing sound quality, the only thing really that can let these headphones down is going to be the battery life. Well, the 950s offer 55 hours of playback for those longer trips, but that does mean that you won't be using the active noise cancellation. However, with ANC turned on, you're still going to be getting an impressive 34 hours playback. So that's plenty of battery for a working week or for those longer journeys. And a 10-minute charge will get you around 7 hours worth of playback. So what that means is that they are going to be dead and you do need to charge them in a quick pinch. 10 minutes gets you pretty much plenty of time. Now of course these headphones will be linked in the description down below, and they're coming at around £179. Now comparing that to something from Soundcore or the more expensive side of things from Bose for example, I think these do a really good job at the price to performance ratio. Yes, they may not have the most amazing build quality, but in regards to sound quality and overall comfort, I don't think you can go wrong with the 950s. But of course, as always, let me know in the comments section down below what over-ear headphones you're currently using, or just in general, if you're not a fan of over-ear, what earbuds you may be rocking at the moment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. And once you've hit subscribe, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.